Hey Shane, I spoke with Heather this morning, and my name is Lee Turbianic, and I've been doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video, and that's it. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that you see on this home page, and Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. Now, you got to think Google is just a crawling website. All it can do is read. So if you don't have the right content with enough information on it to tell your customers or what you're trying to offer, it has no idea what you're trying to rank for. So you need those special keywords, which we'll get into, placed throughout your content, and to have enough information about it as well. So let's do a search for plumber Las Vegas, Nevada. And as you can see, Larkin Plumbing Services is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And he does have some content, but not much, maybe 200 words on his homepage. So if you were to go get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich content for your homepage, you would easily beat him out in that aspect. Now I want to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies pay big money to be up here. And honestly, 9 times out of 10, these costs per click are very expensive and not ever really guaranteed. So I'd really want you to focus on this Google Map Pack listing and this organic section. So let's touch base on that. This is the GMB or Google Map Packs. And what dictates your rankings in this section is a citation. Now, citations are your name, address, and phone number listed in different directories across the web, in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. And as you can see, DMS Plumbing is in first place. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder, and plugged in DMS's plumbing information, and as you can see, he has 58 citations. Very beatable. Best part about this is we can go into his citations and see where he's getting all his citation sources from, and they're all submittable for your business. So we could go and grab all of these, plus add maybe 80 to 100 more to beat these guys out by a landslide, get you up in this top map pack 3, and you'll see a drastic change in business coming in. Also, it's getting your name out there in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for your service. So that's a citation. The third thing I want to talk about is this organic section. Now this has to deal with your ranking due to backlinks. Now a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it. It's little blue writing. Sometimes you click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, that is a backlink, and Google considers those votes for your website. The more backlinks you have, the more votes you have. It's like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. Whoever has the most backlinks coming to them tends to be the most trustworthy, because why would those websites send their traffic to you if you weren't legit? So I have another tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your site. So I plugged in hawthornephc.com in, and as you can see, he has, or you guys have 131 websites giving you almost 900 backlinks. But out of the 131, only 57 are transmitting any power to you. These do follow links are the strong ones that transfer power. But you're ranking for 382 keywords, but you're getting around 185 traffic. So let's look at your competitor, which is Larkin Plumbing Service. He has 218 backlinks, giving him, or websites almost giving him 1,000 backlinks, but only 101 of them are transferring power. That's okay though. The best part about this tool is, just like the other one, we can go into his backlinks, see where he's getting all his powerful backlinks from, and we can get them for your business. Now, when we go and get these backlinks, they're not created equal. As you can see, this domain rating shows how strong they are. Now you want to go after backlinks that are relevant to your niche. So if Pizza Hut were to link to you, it's not going to give you as much power as, say, another plumbing website. So I wanted to touch base on keywords real quick with you guys and show you what you're missing out on by not ranking in the top positions. So as we go into the organic keywords of larkinplumbingservice.com, you can see each keyword that is listed and how many times it's being typed into Google search bar each month. So Las Vegas Plumbing is being typed 600 times each and every month into Google search bar. It's got a KD of 36, which is a little bit high for the rankings portion of it. That means there is some other people trying to battle for this. But being in first place and getting there brought him 134 traffic just off of this keyword alone this month. So there's many more though. Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, 300 searches a month. Plumber Las Vegas, 600 searches. Plumbing Las Vegas, 1,100 searches. That's 1,100 people looking for plumbing in Las Vegas each and every month that you're missing out on by not ranking up in that first position down here. So let's touch base on what we spoke about. First thing was your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, which is those keywords we went over. You could put one per every 100 words. And the second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I'd like to go and get 80 to 100, 200 for your business. The more citations you have, the more places that your name is for people to find you, so that when they're looking for your service. And the third thing that we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you with today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Shane, and I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line, let me know you watched the video and what you thought of it. Thank you. Have a great day.